Good afternoon, everyone. I hope all of you are doing fine. So, in our last video, we had learned about the features of quadrilateral. Right? Then we know that there are minimum five parts required to construct a quadrilateral. How can we construct a quadrilateral with four sides and one diagonal given? How can we construct a quadrilateral with three sides and two diagonals given? So, these were few topics which we had covered in our last video. So, shall we proceed with our next topic? So let's get started. Yes. So our topic for today is it's about how can we construct a quadrilateral with two adjacent sides and three angles. What do we mean by two adjacent sides? Okay, let me explain. If this is the quadrilateral, shall we name it also? Let's take it A, B, C, and D. So if these are the four vertices, then AB will be adjacent to BC, okay? And AB will also be adjacent to AD. AB is adjacent to BC and AD. That means they have a common vertex. Like these two sides, they have the common vertex B. So they are said to be adjacent sides, right? This is clear. So let's now start with our construction. Yes. Okay. So as you all know, before starting anything, we have to draw a rough figure, right? So we'll draw the rough figure. PQ is 5 centimeter. Let me take here P, here Q, and let's take it as 5 centimeters. QR is 6 centimeters. But you see, angle P is 90 degrees given. So we will mark 90 degree and draw a line 90 degrees, right? Angle Q is 110 degrees. So this is 110 degrees. So it will go somewhat like this. We'll draw a line. Then Q to R is 6 centimeters. So from here we have to keep an, with the help of your rough figure drawing, with the help of your compass and ruler, we are going to cut an arc from here 6 centimeters. Let's see here. This will be your R, which will be of 6 centimeters. Next, angle Q is 110 degree done. QR is 6 centimeters. Angle R is 95 degrees. So from here, we have to measure 95 degrees using a protractor. Okay, the angles, they are measured using a protractor. Using that, we'll measure 95 degree now and we'll cut an arc. They should intersect. Wherever they intersect, right? First, you have to draw a line till that point, and that intersection, we can mark it as S. So, do we see our quadrilateral ready now? Shall we start with the construction? See, let me explain it. So it goes somewhat like this. P to Q is 5 centimeter. So if this is P and this is Q, then let's take it to be 5 centimeters. Okay. Then after that, what should be the next step? See the angle. P is 90 degrees, right? QR is 6 centimeter, but how do we know that whether QR is going like this or whether it's going like this or like this? For that we need angle, right? And that angle is given to us. Angle Q, it's clearly mentioned that it's nothing but 110 degrees. So we will draw a line like this and it will extend, okay? Then angle P is about 90 degrees. So here we'll take 90 degrees and draw a line. Okay, that's simple thing. Next, angle the side QR is 6 centimeters. So from here we have to cut an arc at 6 centimeters. So let's see 6 centimeters over here. This is our R. Yeah, cut an arc. Okay. Next, PQR is ready. Now what about S? It's now one more clue we have that R is 95 degrees. So by keeping our protractor over here, we can draw an arc at 95 degrees, right? First, we'll draw a straight line instead of drawing an arc. Okay, 95 degrees, you can assume it's over here, right? It will be less than 100. Okay, 95 degrees you have drawn. Or if you think this is not the place, then 95 degrees, wherever it goes, till that thing will be on 95 degrees. And that point where it intersects, that point will be considered to be our S. So haven't we drawn it? Okay, and okay, now let me give you one more quick revision of how should we draw. First, we'll draw the baseline, whatever the measure is. Let's take ST again. We have drawn. Let's consider it's 8 centimeters, something. Then three angles are should be given to us. So this thing will be given 90 degrees. So we'll draw it. Not 90 degrees, sorry. It can be 120 degrees. It's given. Assuming, okay, taking the steps I'm just telling you. Then again a line. This will be given some measurement. You can take it as. We'll take it as 80 degrees. Okay, 80 degrees. We have drawn a line. Then and here one more side is given. One side we know ST. Again they are given the side of SU. So what we are going to do? S and U is a side, not a diagonal. So of course it will be over here. It's 3 centimeters. So we cut an arc at 3 centimeters and this will be U. SU. STU is written. V we have to draw now. What about V then? They are telling that angle U, this U, angle U, it's measuring 120 degrees. What can we do in that case? We have to draw a line with using a protractor with 120 degrees. Okay, that angle should be of 120 degrees, and that the place where they intersect, we can mark it as V. Done. So we can prove that with two adjacent sides and three angles given also we can draw, right? Because we have 5 measures given, which are more than enough for us to draw. I hope you understood this topic. We'll move with our next topic in our next video. Thank you.